Well, I thought for 60 minutes of the game, I think you probably saw why I picked the lineup, because we had big energy, big organisation in the team, caused Real Madrid a lot of problems. So the only thing that was missing from our game was a goal, but we had really good chances to do that. So at this level,
Strike manager of the Chelsea Football Club, Frank Lampard, here describes a lot of things after the defeat at home stadium against Real Madrid in UEFA Champions League game at the second leg game. Of course, he said that the game was so open, the game was just the final game, and of course it was just one among of the decisive game, and in one way or another, Chelsea Football Club exists in the UEFA Champions League, and so much more, and so about the situation and the performance of their footballers of the Chelsea Football Club players as they tried as much as they can to make sure that they qualify as a stage. But unfortunately, the luck was not on the side as they have lost the game, and Real Madrid is just reaches, or it has been qualified to play the semi-final stage of the UEFA Champions League, is one among of the great tournament in the world. And of course, Frank Lampard, the technical manager of this club, had a lot to say. As so much more, he has thanks for so much the supporters, the fans of the Chelsea Football Club, as their team will just return their quality and their sharpness, so that to be better on the next games of the competition. Of course, one among of the heartful moment, painful moment, but there's no way out.